you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video and I'm gonna be reviewing some hair today. The hair I'm gonna be reviewing is a company called Hot Beauty Hair. So I'm so excited to try. I'm always excited to try new hair, new wigs. Okay, new wig. Who's this? So this is a headband wig and it's highlighted. It's 12 inches. So basically a bob. So it's a bob highlighted wig. And this is what it comes in. The wig comes in this cute little blue bag. And this headband is so pretty. It comes with this pretty headband. Tell me this headband ain't pretty, y'all. This headband is gorgeous. It's velvet blue. About to put this on right now. Oh, this is mad cute. Wait. All right, let me move on to the next thing. I think this is a headband right here. I'm gonna open it. Let's open it, y'all. Let's open it together. Like, that's the point of these videos, right? Like, to see what we got together. So y'all know what you gonna get when you get it. Okay, so yeah, it's a headband. It's a butterfly headband. It's pretty. It looks like a cute headband for the gym. Okay, this looks like a gym headband. Okay, but it's super cute. You can wear it like wherever you want to wear it. Don't listen to me. All right, and then it comes with this. This is just to, like, you know, tie your hair down. Scarf. Then they gave a yellow headband. Another pretty butterfly headband. This headband's pretty. This butterfly one. Really pretty. Man, okay, a Hot Beauty. Then a little pouch. Let's see what's in the pouch. So a comb. Can't have too many combs. Can't have enough of combs. So that elastic bands, a clip, 2 clips, and some bobby pins. We can't have enough bobby pins either. We need 1,000,000 bobby pins. So hold on, let me wipe this off. I think this is gel. Let me wipe that off. It's gonna distract me, and I know it's gonna distract y'all. Like, what is that greasy thing on her head? Gel. So let me count how many headbands they gave. 1, 2, 3. Oh, plus the one on my head. So 4 headbands. Let me take it off because we gotta do the wig. But let's get into the wig. Let's see this wig. Let's see this wig. Let me put this down. Well, actually, let me keep this out right here. I'm all over the place, y'all. Okay. Ooh, this color's pretty. So this is the wig. Again, it's a headband wig and it's 12 inches. And don't forget, and like I said, all the information will be in the description box. My coupon code, everything will be in the description box below. My coupon code right here per usual. But this is a pretty color. Ooh. So let's try this on. So like I always do with the headband wigs, I always stick it before I put it on my head. And this wig has 4 combs, so that's already a plus right there when the wig has 4 combs, because then I know it's secure, extra secure. Wait a minute, y'all. I'm loving this hair. I feel like this is giving me like classy vibes. Like, I feel like I'm about to solve a case or something. Like, I'm about to walk in a courtroom. Ooh, wait a minute. Nah, and this is giving me now this way is giving me like brunch vibes. Like, I'm about to go to brunch, or I'm about to go on a date with my man. This is cute. And I got my flat iron ready and hot so that I could just bump it a little bit, even though I don't even need to be bumped. But let's bump it. Let's bump it. Anyways, I want to straighten it too. And the hair is super soft, like super soft. Y'all see this? Like, y'all see this? Let me show y'all the back. Man, I love this hair. Man, super soft. Like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Man, I love this hair, okay? Right? I rate this hair a 10. I rate this hair a 10. Hands down. I love the color, for one. For two, oh wait, I didn't even put the headband on. Like, let me add the headband. So for one, this hair is super soft. I love the color. I feel sexy. Like, I feel like bobs, like, it just makes you look like sexy. Like, it don't matter what like type of face shape you have. Like, I feel like bobs look good on everyone. Like, it just really just brings out your features. It just really like, it gives you like a model. Like, you look like a model. I feel like bobs have you looking like models. Ooh. This is super pretty, y'all. Look at this. And this price is super affordable. Y'all gonna see when you click the link. So yeah, so I love this hair. I love this hair. I don't got nothing else to say. Like, I love this hair. Super soft. Like, I already said that. I keep repeating it because y'all, it's mad soft. Super soft. Let's just put a little curl in it. All right, just so we can see. So that's how it would look with a little curl, a little poof. I'm gonna straighten that back because I don't want the curl. But I definitely would wear it like that, but just not today. But yeah, so I love this hair, y'all. I definitely recommend this. Again, it's 12 inches. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. We straightened it to see, even though we didn't need to straighten it because it was already straight, but we see how it looks with the straightener. But yeah, so that's the end of the video because, like, I'm ready to go take some pictures, y'all. I'm ready to go take some pictures. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that to use my coupon code for some money off. And don't forget to purchase this wig because I feel like you need this wig in your collection. Like, there's no question, there should be no doubt or nothing about it. Like, purchase this wig, okay? It's affordable. Like, you need this in your collection. The color is bomb. The hair is soft. It didn't have a smell. It comes with like 4 headbands. But yeah, so bye. Love y'all.